Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. I hope everybody is fine. And as you already know that we have started working on a new unit. So now let's start further. Okay, here we have our unit number 6. And the name of this poem is Silly Old Baboon. What's the name? It is Silly Old Baboon. If you remember, I told you that it is called a monkey. Actually, it is a kind of a monkey and having a nose just like a dog. It is having a nose just like a dog. And what is he doing? He is trying to fly. He wants to fly actually. He wants to fly. In these two stanzas, what did we study? We studied that he wanted to fly. He tried his hard, but he couldn't. Now let's see what happens in the next or in the rest of the stanzas. And before going to read these stanzas, let's do the practice of some difficult words which are coming into these stanzas. Right? Okay. Here I have. I hope it is clear to you. Okay? Acha. Okay. Now here number one word we have galloped. What is this? Galloped means ran fast. Means ran fast. Number two is blowed. Number two is blowed means a great wave or surge of water. ठीक है? Means a great wave or surge of water. ठीक है? Next we have aid means help. Number four is passing. It's passing means going by. Going by. Last word is alight. Last word is alight means to come down from something. To come down from something means alight. Okay. Now let's read the stanzas. Okay. Here we have mile after mile he galloped in style. Mile after mile he galloped in style, but never once left the ground. We are running too slow, said a passing crow. Try reaching the speed of sound. I repeat, mile after mile he galloped in style, but never once left the ground. You are running too slow, said a passing crow. Try reaching the speed of sound. What happened? Now what happened? The baboon, he was just trying his hard. Mile after mile means that on different passes he was going, he was running in his own style. ठीक है? He was running in his own style. He was running very fast, but never left the ground once even. But he was completely unable for once to leave the ground. Even for the single moment, he couldn't leave the ground. You are running too slow, said a passing crow. Then what happened? One of the crow was passing by. He said to the baboon, you are running very slow. You are running very slow. Who said? The crow. Try reaching the speed of sound. And he said something. What he said? Try reaching the speed of sound means that you should run in a way that a sound, just like a sound. As you know about the sound, sound is something which is quite speedy. ठीक है? जो बहुत जल्दी एक दूर तक उसकी आवाज़ पहुंचती है. किसी भी चीज़ की जो आवाज़ होती है वो बहुत जल्दी लोगों तक पहुंचती है. किसी भी चीज़ के साउंड होता है जो आवाज़ होती है. ठीक है? सो ही वाज सेइंग दैट यू शुड जस्ट रन लाइक अ साउंड. ठीक है? सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस स्टैंजा that there was a crow who was passing by the baboon. He said that you are running very slow, you must be very fast. ठीक है? But he was trying all his hard, but even for the once, for a single moment, he couldn't touch, or I would say he couldn't reach, he couldn't leave actually, he couldn't leave the ground. He couldn't leave the ground for even a single moment. ठीक है? अच्छा. Now in next stanza, let's see that racing on through the night, both his knees caught alight, and smoke billowed out from his rear. Quick to his aid came a fire brigade, who chased him for over a year. I repeat, racing on through the night, both his knees caught alight, and smoke billowed out from his rear. Quick to his aid came a fire brigade, who chased him for over a year. Now what happened? In this stanza, racing on through the night means for the day and night, for all the time he was racing, he was running fast. Both his knees caught alight means that it's both of the knees. both of his knees were caught burned. They were caught burned, and he was just, in spite of going forward, he was coming down. In spite of going forward, he was coming down, coming backward. Okay? And smoke billowed out from his rear, quick to his aid. Now what happened? That as fast as he was running, he was feeling that his back is just burning, that a fire is coming out from his back. Okay? Then what happened? Quick to his aid. Aid means help. Means that for his help, what came? A fire brigade came for his help. Okay? Who was already chasing him for about last year, for about 1 year. And of the fire brigade came to him, who was already chasing him for about last 1 year. Okay? Acha. Now what did we see? He was trying his hard to fly, but he was totally unable. So that during all his journey, like in his trying period, what happened? He was feeling very much burning in his physique. Okay? He was feeling very much burning in his back. As you already know that when you are running very fast, so what happens? Okay? You are unable to take a breath properly, and you feel tired, and you feel very hot from inside of your body. Okay? So same was the case with this baboon too. Now what happened? Many moons passed by. Did baboon ever fly? Did he ever get to the sun? I have just heard today that he is well on his way. He'll be passing by Venus at once. I repeat, many moons passed by. Did baboon ever fly? Did he ever get to the sun? I've just heard today that he's well on his way. He'll be passing by Venus at once. Now, what happened? Many of the nights were gone. Many of the nights were gone. Did baboon ever fly? Kya? Baboon, was he successful in his flying? Was he successful in his flying? Did he reach to the sun? Did he reach to the sun? I have just heard today I just came to know that he's still trying, and one day he thinks that one day he will reach to the Venus. What's Venus? Venus is the name of a planet. Okay? So he's still thinking that one day he will definitely reach to the sun, or maybe to other planet, according to the statement this. So what happened? Dear students, tell me, is this possible for the monkey to fly? No, of course not. So the main idea or the theme of this poem is that never struggle for the things for which you cannot do, which are useless. Don't struggle for the things which are useless, you are not actually made for. Now look at this foolish monkey. Now why he's called a silly old baboon? Because he's a very foolish one. So this is something which he cannot do. Birds can only fly. The human beings can fly? No. And there are so many animals. Can they fly? No, they cannot fly. The birds can only fly because they have the wings. That's why they can fly. And see this monkey, this baboon, he has even taken the palm leaves. He strapped himself with him and he's trying to fly, but this is of no use. So dear ones, never struggle for the things which are quite useless, for which you are not made for actually. So my dear all students, it was all about this poem. I hope you have enjoyed this poem. Okay? So it was all about this poem. Now what are you going to do? You have to read this poem, you have to learn this poem, and you have to also learn the words meanings. Okay? So now inshallah we'll continue the book exercises in the next video and the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe.